This video, I want to continue explain about the basic rule or basic knowledge about the gradient. We know that the gradient formula is rise over run. Remember that rise is for vertical one, and then for run is the for the horizontal one. Rise for y-axis, run for x-axis. And the condition of this straight line graph, we notice that the gradient must be positive one. And the oppositely, when the condition of our straight line in like this condition, the gradient must be negative. That was the basic common knowledge that you have to memorize and you have to figuring out. I will show you the example. This is the example of the straight line. Look at that. The y-axis, we call the y-axis with rise. Okay, let me show you. This is the y-axis. We call it rise. This is run. Run for x-axis. We notice that the formula of the gradient itself, gradient equal rise over run. Or gradient is change or delta, or I make like this, delta y over delta x, or y over x, or coordinate y over coordinate x. Supposed to be same. The rise condition is minus 2 over the run condition is 4. We cancel. We got the minus 1 over 2. Like I said before, in the condition of our straight line graph, it must be negative gradient. All right, I'm gonna show you the another example. All right, this is another example of gradient. Remember, the gradient is y over x. This is the coordinates. This is the two coordinate. There's 2 points that connected to make the straight line. Remember that. Remember that since there are two coordinates, so the formula itself is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Whatever you choose the condition of which is the where is the y2, if you make the a as the base of the x1 and y1, there will be the b point is the x2 for the y2. And otherwise, if you choose the b condition for the x1 for and the y1, and the a point is supposed to be the x2 and the y2. The two condition that you choose as the basic number 1 or 2 supposed to be same. Okay, now I make the condition for the A. A is the x1 comma y1, and the B for the x2 comma y2. Okay, we know that the I make again A is 1 comma 2. This will be x1 y1. B is 3 comma 6. 3 is for x2, 6 is for y2. Okay, we substitute the number. Y2 is 6. Subtract y1 is 2. X2 is 3. X1 is 1. So we got the 4 over 2. Sorry, this is 4. This is 4. This is 4, and then 6 minus 2 is 4 over 2. And then our gradient is positive 2. Like I said in the previous theory, when your condition of the gradient like this, the gradient must be positive. I hope you enjoy this video and then you not give up to learn about the gradient and any other explanation. In the next video, I will be show you the any variation of the typical condition of the gradient of the two line. Thank you very much for your attention, and then see you in the next video.